I thought we might like to start this week with a spelling test. The words in this spelling test will help you with your spelling, but they'll also help you to understand the ideas this week. It's all about the GDPR, General Data Protection Regulations, a new law that came out in 2018. So if you'd like to get a pen, a bit of paper, and write the numbers 1 to 10 down the side, I will give you your spellings. Okay, number 1, confidentiality. Can you spell confidentiality? This is covered by the new GDPR legislation. Confidentiality. Number 2, can you spell requirements? GDPR law puts 4 requirements on a school, 4 things that they have to do. Requirements. Spelling number 3 is compliance. From now on, schools can't just do confidentiality, they have to prove compliance. They have to show that they're doing it properly. Compliance. Spelling 4, appoint. Schools all now have to appoint a data protection officer. Appoint. Number 5, can you spell request? Any child or their parent can now request to see the data that's kept on them. Request. Number 6 is breach. You can breach confidentiality if you are worried about a child, if you've got concerns. But if you breach confidentiality by mistake in the school must report it. Breach. Number 7, disclosure. Can you spell disclosure? You may need to disclose information that's kept on a child or a parent or a member of staff. You might need to disclose the information to another agency. Can you spell disclosure? Spelling number 8, security. Schools must be sure of the security of all the data that they keep. Can't leave stuff lying around, can't leave computers unlocked. Security. Number 9, source. Not sauce as in tomato ketchup sauce, but source of the data. The school has to make sure it knows the source where the data came from. Is it reliable? And number 10, can you spell policy, but also in the plural? How do you make policy into policies? A school must write a data protection policy and the staff must read and follow it. Can you write policy and policies? Okay, well done. Would you like to see the answers? Let's have a look. There you go. There's your spellings for this week. And you won't lose them because they're actually on the bottom of today's worksheet. Don't forget to spell them correctly in your homework and try and use all of these words in your answer.